NPA claims victory after Dujazain Zuma case ruling. Johannesburg, the National Prosecuting Authority NPA is claiming victory after the Randburg Magistrates Court ruled its witnesses who testified against Dujazain Zuma in his culpable homicide case are sound. The defense had applied for charges against Zuma to be discharged on grounds that the state does not have enough evidence and that state witnesses were not credible. In 2014, the former president's son crashed his Porsche 911 into a taxi on the M1 in Sandton, killing passenger Famzal Dube. The NPA's Findim John Ntwane said the state was pleased that the court sided with the prosecution, finding there is enough evidence against Zuma to proceed with the charges against him. "We're glad the court has ruled that the evidence of the state witnesses was not of poor nature and therefore cannot be ignored." Magistrate Tebogothu Potla said evidence must only be ignored if it is of such poor quality that no reasonable person could ever accept it. In this matter, the evidence is sufficient. The court concludes that there is evidence upon which the court act reasonably and convict. When the trial resumes in May, the defense intends to call 3 witnesses to the stand and Zuma is one of them.